iPhone 11 Pro Max features. The iPhone 11 Pro Max comes in 4 colors: gold, space gray, silver, and midnight green. Gold and silver have stainless steel rims with a silver color, while the space gray and midnight green colors have darkened stainless steel rims. All options have a black front-facing bezel. This model has the same storage capabilities as the iPhone XS. It is available with 64 GB, 256 GB, and 128 GB options. Display: the 6.5-inch (2688 by 1242) OLED display on Apple's largest phones have been dubbed the Super Retina XDR display. It has a pixel density of 458 pixels per inch, and a 2 million to 1 contrast ratio, compared to 1 million to 1 on the iPhone XS and iPhone X. It has a brightness level of 800 nits typically and up to 1200 nits with HDR, whereas the iPhone XS has 625 nits. These flagship devices boast a 3-lens camera system on the back of the device. Apple has included a 5-element ultra-wide lens with an f/2.4 aperture and 120-degree field of view and a 6-element f/1.8 wide lens. A 6-element telephoto lens with an f/2.0 aperture has a 2x optical zoom in and a 2x optical zoom out. The wide and telephoto lenses have optical image stabilization. On October 29, 2019, Apple launched an iOS 13.2 feature called Deep Fusion on the iPhone. The app uses machine learning for image processing. Deep Fusion is not user-facing, operating in the background automatically when certain criteria are met. This feature will not work if the user has enabled Photos Capture Outside the Frame in Settings, Camera, and will not work when using the ultra-wide lens. Deep Fusion is typically used for suboptimal lighting scenes. Optimal lighting scenarios will instead trigger Smart HDR. When the criteria are met, the iPhone shoots 9 images, and the neural engine combines them into a single photo, prioritizing detail and eliminating noise. This is used instead of the normal image capture and stacking modes and is an entirely new algorithmic photo system. The iPhone 11 also has a low light mode that allows users to take brighter photos with reduced noise and improved clarity in low light environments. The cameras support 4K video at up to 60 frames per second and 1080p slow-motion video at up to 240 frames per second. Apple also introduced Audio Zoom, which allows the iPhone microphone to match the audio in zoomed-in video. As the user zooms closer to the subject, the accompanying audio will also get louder. These models still support panorama mode, burst mode, time-lapse, facial recognition, digital and optical image stabilization, autofocus, and quad LED flash. Front-facing camera.